Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily use Rivyo for your Shopify store. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here Add Application, and I created a new store so you can see step-by-step process how it works. I will click here Install App, and let's go. I will just close this support, and now voila, here we are. So when you go to the left side, you would see your reviews, product, user. You can import and export reviews. You can add a review, and then you have like notifications here and integrations. Now, what I can do is just simply click on all reviews and find reviews here. You can click here down below to the settings, and you can edit the layout of everything. So what you can do is to simply click here and select a rating icon. Then you have the average rating grid layout options and product detail review, how it actually looks like. And then you have display name here, display image, custom image, social share, and things like that. Then you have also plans and price here that you can change. And now you have also general settings here, email notification, language, and testimonials, etc. Now, when I go to the dashboard, you would see all the data here. You can manage the reviews. And when someone is going to just buy the product, you would see everything here. And this is pretty much it. You can add a review here, but you need a pro version for it. And Rivyo is like really great tool that you can use. So, but my recommendation is definitely use the pro version. And this is pretty much it. So this is how you can install Rivyo and how you can use straight away. I'll just go here to the layout and you can edit the layout, how it actually feels to see. Also email notification here. So you see the custom email and mail template. And this is how it works and how we can see serving you. We appreciate your purchase with us. We'd like to know more about your online shopping experience. With your help, even better. Rating for a personal experience and product HTML. They would just reply to it. So this is pretty much it how Rivyo works. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.